Committee have initiated and even coordinated with the Meitei Alliance, and the one Meitei Alliance also supported this program. Then again, just 2 days before, the Global Manipur Federation, we had a meeting and they resolved to support this cause. So in 1 week, we are able to unite from 15 countries. So this is a sign of unity. This is a sign of our strength. Today also, in 15 places in Manipur, in other parts of in Chennai, all the cities, Mumbai, Pune, and in Maharashtra, and again in Assam, even all the relief camps in Manipur, Ima Kaitel, they just responded today. So we are creating a history. Mi kharana budi hairam biyai ko akoi ngasi si mi yam de khote na adubu akoi na khanjaram budi ngasi ki moment se is the across globe the laiba akoi mayam sings na unite urakanda one voice da. We wanted to tell to the parliament, the member of the parliament, the prime minister of this country, even the home minister of this country, to listen the voice of the people of Manipur. We want to ask the question that why you are silent. The honourable Prime Minister has to speak. The government of India has to speak. That is why we are targeting the government of India. We are appealing to the government of India as a citizen of India that don't divide Manipur on ethnic lines. If you want to stop this violence, you can stop it, because you have already deployed more than 1 lakh armed forces in Manipur. But you have told them that don't take action against the militant. Do you find any places in the world that security forces tell to the farmers that don't go to the hill because they will fire? They know that the person who are holding hands are on the top of the hills. They will fire you, and they are not taking action there. They are having some kind of negotiation with them. They are involved. They are involved of crime against humanity. They wanted to break the peaceful coexistence of Manipur. And still they said that let them talk each other. This is a fight between Kuki and a Naga. Sorry, this is a fight between Kuki and a Meitei. Let them talk. Let them talk. That means is there any secret agenda that they wanted to divide Manipur on three council? One for Kuki, one for Naga, one for Meitei? Is there any deliberate attempt to say that they cannot live together, now we have to divide Manipur? They can take any decision. So we wanted to tell to the government of India that we know, we realize your politics. Don't do politics to divide Manipur, because Manipur is a product of historical existence. If you want to try to break us, then it will not be good for anyone, because we will resist. We will resist till the end of our breath, because this land was even given for all of us. So this is our responsibility. So in this context, DMCC was formed in the month of June. We have 7 organizations in Delhi. Some 2-3 organizations are not part of DMCC. DMCC the yaudubsi yauri bako. Ado aina mayamda hangjaningi bese. Sigumba historical moment amakakta hana akhoi pundana lairamba akhoi mayam chaira ga amana amaga kaunada na wari sanada na lairamba akhoi ki jati sina group mayam se punjalaga DMCC gumba apunba platform ma laibise phabra phatabra. Do you think that this is good or bad? Is this a time to do politics for your own organization? Ai organization ge ai tombagi chawgi na tawba matam laba natti dna ko aduna hairiba group mayam singdro so aina appeal tawningi badi ngasi akhoi ne siliba program se akhoi khataki DMCC khataki natteba akhoi ne siliba se Manipur gi Malem gi miyam da akhoi ne pose hodokshara kanda Malem da leiba miyam singna yam thuna numini gi manung da respond tawra kana mafam da